Welcome to Dr. Sudha S. Murthy's Precision Cancer Question, where we challenge the status quo in cancer care, one question at a time. Today's precision cancer question is: does your lab speak the oncologist's language? Because a mutation that can save a life is useless if it's buried in a forest of jargon and numbers. Here's a common scene. A molecular lab delivers a 20-page NGS report. It's dense with exon numbers, allele frequencies, copy number changes, tier 1, tier 2, perfectly accurate, scientifically correct. The oncologist opens it between two patient consults, scans the first page, and puts it aside. Not because it's unimportant, but because the language of the lab doesn't always translate into the language of clinical urgency. I once saw a case where a metastatic lung cancer patient had an actionable metexon 14 skipping mutation. It was on the second page of the report lower down. The oncologist read the executive summary, which did not highlight it clearly. That patient was started on standard chemotherapy, and only months later, when the report was revisited, did they switch to a targeted MET inhibitor. The drug worked beautifully, but those months were lost, not because the science was wrong, but because the signal got drowned in the noise. Labs and oncology speak different dialects of the same language. The lab's dialect is precise, structured, and bioinformatically correct. The oncologist's dialect is about timelines, toxicity, and trial eligibility. When these dialects don't align, official insights can be delayed or missed. What would a better language look like? Action first reporting. Put the highest priority therapy relevant findings at the top in bold. Clinical impact notes, one or two sentences linking the mutation to possible therapy. Flagging urgency, differentiate act now mutations from interesting but not actionable yet. Interactive reports, clickable links to guidelines or ongoing trials. The lab doesn't just generate data, it tells a story, and the oncologist is the audience who must act on it. If your lab isn't speaking your oncologist's language, maybe it's time to rewrite the dictionary together. Till the next time, think, act, and react. Thank you and bye bye.